y'all need help?
No, we've got it coming. They got a tornado come through right through here.
Okay.
And there's another one coming. It come right across the lowland where it gaps down on Google. Come through the valley. It come right up the creek. Come over the corner of the bridge. Come over her shed. In between them, blew part of his roof off. I got 2x4s from this boy's roof in my yard up on the mountain.
Wow.
It just happened.
Glad you're
That's
okay.
what hit the house. I said, wow, what was that? I heard the roar.
Yeah.
And then these are electric lines down here too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Be careful.
Okay.
All right. Glad you're okay.
Y'all okay?
Is everybody okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Would have been nice if we'd have had a warning. My dad called from Midland, Texas.
We've been watching this for a while, and it wasn't warned.
Nothing. Down that way, they are.
They'll know.
They are?
Coronation Lane.
Okay. We need to go over there.
Down there.
We need to go.
Look at those trees. Holy crap, they're just
Look over here. Completely bowled over. Yes, let's stop up here and help. Oh my goodness. Wow.
Oh, the trees in the road.
Try to back up some out of the way. These people.
Is there any way to get around this or not?
No. No.
All right.
Let's see if we can help anybody who needs help.
Wow, look up on this hillside. Look at all those trees laid over.
Golly, they're just...
Is that power line?
Yeah, they've already gone over it.
Okay. Okay, there's a house
There's
right
a house.
there.
We need to go check on these houses.
Should we go back and...
Yeah, let's go
There's a
check on
house
these
over
houses.
here.
Be real
too.
careful with those power lines, though.
Okay, let me find a place to sort of park and let's go help these people. I'm gonna park right here.
Oh, man, these...
You guys check on this house by any chance? They're not here.
We're first responders, so. I know they're not home. Okay. These people were gone to Memphis.
Okay, let's go check on them. Let me get my bag out of the back.
Thank you.
Just to tell them there is houses destroyed. Please be careful.
Coronation Lane, is that what it is?
Coronation Lane. Watch. Careful. Another power line.
Who's just him?
Yeah. Some nails.
Yeah.
My goodness.
Wow.
Said he's okay, just him.
Work out getting over here. Golly. Can't even tell there's a road out there.
Call 911, they said they're on their way.
Yeah. Yes. I heard it coming and I said, hey. I said, I hear that jet. I'm getting the hell out of here. So the dog and I left.
Where did y'all seek shelter at?
Out here in the back, I ran out here. I was going to get in the shed and I said, no. And I had my...
Warned either, I don't think at the time.
No, they didn't.
No, I was watching the warning on my computer. You know, I've got that little radar track thing.
Yeah.
You know, and it had some, you know, up here there's some ice hail spotted up there about 3 miles over that way. But
Well, I mean, we asked them to put out a warning. We called it in.
oh, did you?
Yeah, and they didn't put it in.
Yeah. This is